Done. Well, I've seen a few things that need a bit more finishing off, but I am done. Yeah, any professional builders or painters and decorators out there just watching me painstakingly doing that with a paintbrush, you'll be pulling your hair out. I know. The reason why I've got so many little nooks and crannies and small areas, I just found that easier doing it with the paintbrush, but I didn't do it all. I did the high bits with the roller. But I'm done. I'm done. There's a few little finishing off touches that I need to do here and there, but it's clean, it's tidy, it's painted. The only thing to do now is I've got to put another coat of paint on the banister here, figure out what I'm doing with the staircase, and then the floor. Job's a good one, but this has been hard work. It's taken me, what, 2.5 weeks? I didn't think it would take so long. Well, let's have a look. So as you can see, I've just done this so it's yet to dry. Gotta do the doors, but I've had an idea with the doors. I've been looking online for the original 1950s doors, and they're like over £100 each. So what I'm going to do, the same way I've done this on this panelling, I'm just going to put panel all the way around, one across, oh, let me show you on another door. Put a panel all the way around, one across the middle, and then one down the bottom end. But there, here we go. I've still got a few little bits that I need to fill and redo and repaint. I don't know if you can see properly, but here we go. It's all clean, it's brighter. The sun comes in that side of the house first thing in the morning. I've just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the staircase, the stairs. All this is done now. All this is done. That window was a right job to do. Silicone, the people who put it in, was silicone absolutely everywhere. So I had to pull all the silicone out, redo that. But yep, all done. My loft hatch is in, so now I can get a whole load of stuff up there. But it's all done. All the doors are obviously to do. All done. That has been the hardest job I've done in a long time. Really hard work. Had to fix massive holes all the way down there. And don't look closely because one or two of them still need a bit of work, like that one there needs a bit of work doing. But I've got the main bits done. All the banisters all done, all the panelling taken off, all painted, all nice and clean. The green colour hasn't turned out quite how I imagined it, but it'll do for now. It'll do. There we have it, as you can see, yep, there. Still need to dry and go around and patch a few more things. But so far, I'm happy with that. It's not perfect, it could have been plastered and then it would have looked perfect, but I wasn't going to pay that money. It'll do for now. Once I've got all the house completely finished, I can then go back to each individual room and improve on that, but I just need to get the dust and the dirt and everything out of the way, because I clean up, I mop down every night, and every morning there's dust everywhere again and it's driving me crazy. So there you go guys, I've finally done it, finally got it done, the ceiling, but that's been hard work. But, oh, I want to show you what I bought. Oh, look at this, look at these, look at these. Let me put a light on. Look at them. I found them on Facebook Marketplace. that one and that one matching. I've got to decorate the room, but when you get things like that on market, you just can't let them go. And I've decorated it with a few Easter things. £100, guys, £100 for both. That was an absolute bargain. Just a shame I've got to put up with my fridge freezer in here. But yes, can you see the vision? You see the legs on them match the legs on my table. Queen Anne legs. So I just had to have them. Got some curtains put up for now. And so pleased. So pleased. Oh, look at this. I don't drink, but I found mint chocolate chip Baileys. I had to try it. Actually, it's nice, but I don't actually drink. But I do like an odd Baileys every now and then. But yeah, what do you think of those? I mean, the photos on the marketplace didn't do them justice. They look like peach, and I'm wondering that's probably why the guy wasn't selling them. And I thought, oh well, no worries, I'll paint them. I'll get them all painted white. But they are actually cream. I don't know if that colour's coming through on the camera, but they are actually cream. They look beautiful. I like them. You might not like them, but it's right up my street. Is that? Oh, damn it! I thought I'd finished. Oh well, I had to put another coat on there anyway. You always find something, don't you? Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that, and I'm not going to be doing... I found that button on my camera that speeds things up. I wish I could work that fast in real life. So my videos won't be so long drawn out and boring, so I'll do more of that, because for you to watch me doing every little bit and every little step in here would have been absolutely boring. So there we go, I've done. I'm really pleased. So bye for now, and I'm going to go for a shower. I've got a TV cabinet to pick up this afternoon, so I'm going to go get a shower and do that and take my dogs out for a walk. I'm so chuffed. I'm proud of myself for doing that. That was hard work. I am so proud. See you in the next one. Bye for now.